Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic phenylketonuria. So this disease, that is the inborn error of metabolism. Inborn error of metabolism means before the birth this disease occur in the infants, and especially the error that is in the metabolism. So what is metabolism? The metabolism, sum total of chemical reactions that are taking place in our body, that is metabolism. And this metabolism is of two types, catabolism and anabolism. So catabolism, that is the breaking of the complex molecules into simple form, and anabolism, that is the making of complex molecule from simple. So both these processes, catabolism and anabolism, that is occurring inside our body, and if there is the defect in the metabolism, then also there will be the disease, and that disease is phenylketonuria. So that is clear from the name, phenylketonuria. So here one reactant is there, that is the phenylalanine, and this phenylalanine, that is nothing but that is the amino acid. Now the question comes, what is amino acid? Amino acid, that is the biomolecule, that is the basic building block of the proteins, because in proteins there are the different types of amino acids. They are joined to form a polypeptide chain. Suppose these are the amino acids 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these 8 amino acids are there, and these 8 amino acids, they join with the help of a peptide bond, and this is a chain known as polypeptide chain, and this polypeptide chain, that is of a protein, means proteins are made up of amino acids, and in amino acids polypeptide chains are there, and in different proteins there is the different polypeptide chain. So here one amino acid is present, and that is phenylalanine, and this is the structure of this phenylalanine because it is the amino acid. So in amino acid, the basic structure of amino acid, simple carbon is there, that is the alpha carbon. What is alpha carbon? The carbon which is occupied by the different groups, that is the alpha carbon. So amino means the amino group. So here one amino group is there, then the carboxylic group second, one is the hydrogen, and one is the R group, and this R group is different in different amino acid. So we can conclude the amino acid having one main alpha carbon, having hydrogen, having amino group, carboxylic group, and the R group. That R group is different. So let us discuss the structure of phenylalanine. So where with alanine, phenyl group is there, so that is the structure of alanine, and along with this alanine one phenyl group is there, so we are calling it phenylalanine. So this is the amino acid. Now this amino acid, basically generally this phenylalanine change into tyrosine, that help in metabolism. Now the structure of tyrosine is like this: alpha carbon, hydrogen, amino group, carboxylic group, and here what is different between tyrosine and phenylalanine? Their hydroxyl group is present. So what is present? Hydroxyl group. So that is the difference between the structure of this phenylalanine and the tyrosine. So generally this phenylalanine change into tyrosine, but in this disease phenylketonuria, this phenylalanine not converted into tyrosine. Why? Because the enzyme responsible for the conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine, that is absent. Now what is the name of the enzyme? because here hydroxyl group is there. So the name of the enzyme is related with this, that phenylalanine hydroxylase, because it add hydroxyl group on the phenyl group. Okay, so basically in your competitive exam this question is asked, name the enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. So the name of the enzyme, that is phenylalanine hydroxylase. This is the enzyme. So if this enzyme is present, then this reactant phenylalanine change into tyrosine. But in this disease, this enzyme is absent. It is not present. So if it is not present, then this phenylalanine change into phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives also accumulated in our brain. Firstly, phenylalanine is accumulated in our brain, and secondly it can change into phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives. So that is not absorbed by our kidney. Our kidney also don't have the capacity to absorb these derivatives. So poor absorption by the kidney. So if it is not absorbed by the kidney, then it is come with our urine. So the removal of these derivatives, phenylpyruvic acid and their derivatives, that should be with the urine also. So it is excreted with urine also, and so this disease in case of phenylketonuria means that is excreted through urine also. So the name of this disease phenylketonuria. So I think you understood. It is the inborn error of metabolism before birth. This disease is present, and especially in the disorder in the metabolism. Why? Because one amino acid phenylalanine that have to change into tyrosine. This tyrosine also amino acid, but it's not change into tyrosine, change into the different derivatives like phenylpyruvic acid and its derivative, and it is accumulated into the brain and cause the mental retardation. And poor absorption by the kidney and removed with the urine also. So that is about phenylketonuria. I think you understood. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.